Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I consider to be the best two-handed magic trick where you can convert 5 $1 bills into 5 $100 bills. It's one of the best magic tricks I've ever seen. My dad's actually a magician. That's what he does for a living. He's the one that showed me this trick, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So without further ado, here is my dad performing Extreme Burn.
You want to see something cool you can do with a dollar bill? In fact, we'll do it with 1, 2, we'll do it with 3, 4, $5. More impressive with $5. So it's that old joke, you want to know how to double your money? Guy says you fold it in half. I said, no, you did it the wrong way. If you fold it front to back, if you fold it back to front, it turns into the hundreds. That way you got your 100, 200, 300, 405.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed Extreme Burn. Again, this is what I consider to be one of the coolest two-handed magic tricks. It's only like $25 or $30 for the little gimmick that you need to perform the trick. I'll put a link below to where you can purchase it. But I consider it to be one of the coolest tricks for the wow factor. You perform this in front of kids or your family or friends or women at bars. People just flash when they see money converted to such high amounts right in front of their eyes. And no joke, that's what it looks like in person, like you just watched on the video. You can just stare at it and it's instant. And people can even examine many of the bills. So it's really a cool trick. And you don't have to convert 100s or convert to 100s. You can convert to 5s or 10s or 20s or 50s. But I think converting it to 100s looks the coolest. So hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different than my normal how-to videos, but I'll be back soon with more tutorials. And take care. See you soon. Bye.